As you sit or lie comfortably, gently bring your awareness inward. Take a slow, conscious breath in and release. Feel the breath as it moves through your body, not just as air, but as energy, as life. With each breath, you are calling yourself back into the present moment. Into awareness. Into connection. Into wholeness. Now we begin a unique grounding method, one that roots you not just to the earth, but to your future, your power, and your presence. Begin by bringing your awareness to the base of your spine. Imagine a stream of golden light flowing from the base of your spine down into the earth. Deeper and deeper. Anchoring you to the core of the earth. Feel the energy rising from below, warm and nourishing. Grounding you into the now. You are not floating through life. You are rooted, stable, supported. Now bring your awareness up, slowly scanning your body. As your attention moves from your root to your belly, to your heart, to your throat, to your mind. Pause and breathe into each center. You are reminding your body, we are safe, we are awake, we are alive. With each breath, you are reconnecting the mind to the body to the heart, and the heart to the earth. You are becoming whole. Now that you are fully present, Bring both hands to your heart, physically or energetically. Feel the gentle rhythm. The steady beat. This is your anchor. This is the center of your frequency. Begin to speak silently to your heart. Thank you for beating every second without me asking. Thank you for holding me through every experience. Thank you for carrying the emotions of an entire lifetime and still choosing to open. Allow a deep wave of gratitude to rise, not from thought, but from feeling. You are not just listing what you are grateful for, you are being gratitude. Let it spread through your chest. Let it fill your throat. Let it rise to your eyes, softening your face. This is your new vibration. This is your new signal to the universe. A heart filled with sincere gratitude is the most magnetic force in existence. You are now grounded, awakened, and aligned with appreciation. The energy of your day is being shaped in this very moment, not by what will happen, but by how you choose to feel before it happens. You are creating from the inside out, and it begins with gratitude. Now that your body is grounded and your heart is open, let's expand this energy. Allow your gratitude to move outward, beyond your body, beyond this room. Beyond the boundaries of your life. Feel it like ripples in a still pond, moving in all directions. You are no longer a person experiencing gratitude. You are the vibration of gratitude itself. Begin to call to mind the simple blessings that surround you. The breath in your lungs, the roof above your head, the opportunities awaiting you. The unseen protection that has followed you your entire life. Even the challenges, yes, even those have shaped you, refined you, built you into who you are now. Say silently, "Thank you for everything that has led me to this moment." Thank you for the strength I didn't know I had. Thank you for what is coming, even though I cannot yet see it. Now envision your day unfolding, filled with alignment, with peace, with ease, see yourself moving through your day calmly, joyfully. Confidently. Every task becomes sacred. Every conversation meaningful. Every step filled with presence. You are not waiting for something to go right to feel good. You have already chosen how you want to feel. And now the universe responds. Let this final truth settle into your being. Gratitude is the language of receivership. When you are grateful, you are already living in the energy of "it is done." You no longer need to push, chase, or control. You simply align. You simply allow. Now bring your awareness back to your heart. Feel it pulsing gently, and whisper silently within, "Today I walk in appreciation. Today I speak from love. Today I am a magnet for blessings." Take a slow, nourishing breath in, and as you exhale, feel your body alive, your spirit awake, and your mind clear. Gently open your eyes, carrying this frequency into everything you touch today. Because you are grounded in gratitude, you are aligned with abundance, and your energy right now is creating a beautiful life.